Alright, so welcome Military Guna TV. Here again, back with you again. So this is just my small take on Arsenal training. Something new I'm trying to do. I'm not sure much about it, but if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Please. If you're viewing this, please give it a thumbs up. I'm going to discuss things about Arsenal training that I just witnessed and just do a small little mini cool thing. So as I said before, just drop a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button for content like these. Now, first thing first, congratulations to Bukayo Saka for winning the Player of the Month award again, second time straight. So the last time we saw Gabriel winning the Player of the Month award back to back. We ended about 2 or 3 months without him. So hopefully that doesn't reach Bukayo Saka. But back to the training video that I just witnessed. So Arsenal in training, first thing that I realized, first thing that I observed, the first thing I observed is that Willian still not and cannot score a goal. Everyone else is scoring. Nketiah is scoring. Even in training, Willian is not scoring a goal. So he looked lethargic in training. He looked lazy in training. So that's it for Willian. I won't let that get on top of my nerve. Okay, so but I see Pablo Mari. One bad thing that I realized, I did not see Kieran Tierney, which means that he will not be he will not be available for the game against Leeds that is weekend coming. And you will realize that there's no way he's going to miss so many training sessions and just head right back into game day conditions. It doesn't work like that. So for now, we can see that we're out without Kieran Tierney. Pablo Mari, as I said, looked real good, solid. He looks solid and he's just returning. He looked really solid. So we might see him at some point in time. Gabriel Magalhaes looked solid as well, playing some good passes. Now, Odegaard looked really astute. Really love the look of how he handled himself, or he handles the ball as well. His movement, his touches. He's one of those peculiar type of players that are intelligent and very equipped with a special skill set. Just by seeing moving around the pitch, you can see the talent there oozing with confidence, and I think he has a long way to go. Now, Bukayo Saka, as I said before, looking good, looking sharp. Nicolas Pepe as well, looking sharp. Aubameyang looking sharp, and Reece Nelson looking extra sharp. Like it seems as if he's up for it for this one. Hats off to you, Reece Nelson, and I hope you can really fight yourself back into the team lineup and kick the hell out of Willian out of this team, because from what I'm seeing in the training ground, what's happening on the training ground, Willian does not look good. Nelson looks real good. I'm not sure if there's something in Willian's contract which he has to play every game or something of that sort, but they are looking real good. And one other thing, is it me or does it seem as if Matt Ryan looks really resembles Martinez? Maybe it's me alone, but if you think the same, put it in the comment. If you believe Matt Ryan look as similar as possible to Martinez, hit it in the comment. But these are the few things that I have seen. Lacazette looking sharp, Aubameyang looking sharp. I know Mikel Arteta might have some troubles selecting the starting lineup weekend coming, but for sure we know who's going to play at left back. That is Cedric Soares, and yes, Cedric Soares, he really looked good in training as well. I'm hoping that he can return from that bad game that he put on against Aston Villa. Hopefully he can return back sharp and ready. But I didn't see Hector Bellerin. I'm not sure. Maybe I missed him, but I didn't see him. But anyways, if you like this video, I'm out now. So if you like this video, hit the like button, please. I'm asking you, hit the like button. And if you're new here, subscribe and put it in the comment if you think Nelson should get the opportunity over Willian, or if you think Mari should start in front of Gabriel Magalhaes. But guess what? That is it for me now. Military Guna TV. This has been a review of the training video that I've just saw on Arsenal at London Conley. So hopefully you guys like it. Thank you very much for tuning in. And guess what? I am out.